The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the United Nations, the Governor of the State of Alaska, the Alaska National Guard, and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1 p.m., Alaska Standard Time, Imperial stormtroopers are invading southern Alaska. The following boroughs that are being invaded: Aleutians West, Aleutians East, Lacan Peninsula, Kodiak Island, Kenai Peninsula, Anchorage, Valdez Cordova, Yakutat, Skagway Hunangoon, Haines, Juneau, Sitka, Wrangell Petersburg, Prince of Wales Outer Ketchikan, and Ketchikan Gateway. All residents who live in these boroughs, lock all of your doors and windows immediately. Seek a shelter with no windows. If an Imperial stormtrooper enters your shelter, use armed protection by all means. If you aren't equipped with any weapons, put your hands on your head and don't make sudden movements. All residents in the rest of the state of Alaska, stay inside your homes with your windows and doors locked. The United States military, along with the Alaska National Guard, and the Rebel Alliance will deal with this situation. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants should follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. Stand by for a message from the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, today is the darkest day in American history, and mostly the world. I have received word from the Rebel Alliance that they failed to destroy the second Death Star. My fellow Americans, I ask you to gather all of your loved ones, pets, and possessions and prepare for the end. If you are a person of faith, pray and repent. John chapter 4, verse 16. And so we know and rely on the love God has for us. God is love. Whoever lives in love lives in God, and God in them. Thank you for your cooperation, but all is lost. May God save us all.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the United Nations, the North American Aerospace Defense Command, and the Rebel Alliance. The militaries of the Earth and the Rebel Alliance have managed to defeat the Galactic Empire. The air forces of the Earth, along with the Rebel Alliance, have managed to destroy the second Death Star. Unfortunately, it will take years to fix the damages and destruction throughout the world. The President will make a speech to the nation tomorrow morning. All residents of the United States, you may now leave your shelters, as there are no more Imperial stormtroopers left in the world. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming may now resume.